my channel. My name is Mako. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my videos. If you like the content I'm making, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Basically, I'm doing a bit of a skincare series, I guess. So today I'm going to be reviewing or giving more of a first impressions of the Mario Badescu products. I ordered the products from beautybay.com. It took about 2-3 days to get here. I live in Ireland. So yeah, let's get started. So it came in this box. One of the reasons why I wanted to order this product is like 5 products for about 30 euros, which is quite reasonable. So I was like, okay, let me try it out and see if I can get 1 or 2 good things out of the box. The first product is the drying lotion. I've seen a lot of really good reviews on it and how good it is for on the spot treatment. So basically, the drying lotion, the iconic fast-acting spot treatment that targets surface blemishes overnight. Directions: do not shake the bottle before bed. After cleansing and toning, dip a cotton swab into the pink sediment at the bottom of the bottle. Dab directly on the surface blemish. Do not rub it in. Let it dry and rinse off in the morning. Do not use on broken skin and do not apply to eye area. If product gets into the eyes, rinse well with water. So this is one of the most talked about and used products from, I think, Mario Badescu is the one I've heard about the most. It is for its spot treatment. So the active ingredient in that is the salicylic acid. So I guess that's just like the main thing that actually treats the spots. Like they have a bunch of other products in there, and then it's like a bit of alcohol. My first impression of that is like when you do open it, it has a very strong smell, but that's mainly from the alcohol. So yeah, I've tried it once so far, and I feel like it made my skin dry, but it didn't dry up the acne. But it does say it is supposed to target surface blemishes, and that one was a bit deeper than the surface blemish. So maybe that was why it wasn't as effective, but I will give it another try and see what it says. So the next product is the silver powder. Now this is another product I am excited to try out and use a bit because I have blackheads, and that is the main thing it's used for. So the silver powder, a powerful solution designed to draw in stubborn blackheads and absorb excess shine. It basically says like it's a powdered product, and you have to mix it with a little bit of water. It says to apply it mainly to your T-zone, so I guess that's where like most oil production is. I get blackheads around my nose and around my lips as well, so I guess that's where I would be, and on my chin. So that's where I would be focusing most of the product use on. And yeah, like I've used that one once as well. It's okay, seems fine. You just need a little bit of water. Do not mix it with too much water. And it says to remove the mask or the powder with your toner. So whatever toner you're using, you use that to wipe it off. I don't know if that makes the product work better, like mixing it with the toner at the end, but let's see how that goes. And the next product was the Flower Tonic Mask. It says a gardenia infused clay mask that gently purifies pores while enhancing your skin tone. It says to use this product 2 to 3 times a week. Rinse out of your eyes if it gets there. You're only supposed to use a thin layer for about 15 to 20 minutes, like any other mask. And yeah, wash off with warm water. I've used that one once. It's okay. It dries really quickly. It's a mask. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do, but it kind of, so far, haven't noticed anything special about it. So this product I've seen online a lot. It is the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. So I was reading the herbs that are inside, and it's got thyme, leaf juice, fruit extracts. There's a lot of stuff in this. It's so heavily scented, which I don't know. I think fragrance in skincare products is not really the best because it has some not so kind effects on your skin, and this is one of the really scented products. And I sprayed it on my skin and it made me feel less refreshed and more just like sticky and icky, like I kind of sprayed orange juice on my face. So not a fan of that. I haven't tried it with makeup on because I know a lot of people use it after makeup. So it says mist onto face and neck as needed, use before moisturizer, throughout the day, or you can use it as a final step following makeup application. So yeah, you see a lot of people using it as, I don't think I'd call it setting spray, maybe finishing spray for makeup, but it's just so heavily scented, like I can't get over the scent at all. And the last products that came in the essential box is the Enzyme Cleansing Gel, the best-selling face wash that cleanses, brightens and exfoliates to rejuvenate all skin types. Gently massage cleanser in circular motions on wet skin, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Be sure to follow the appropriate toner and moisturizer. This product, oh my days, it is supposed to be a face cleanser and it is so heavily fragranced. Like I literally, like, I can't get over the like smell. It smells nice, but I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of like so much fragrance in skincare. That shouldn't be like the first and most noticeable thing. Even after you rinse it off, you can still smell it on you. So yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of that particular product, but the ones I'm really excited about trying are using in my new skincare routine is the drying lotion and the silver powder, because those are the ones that target the issues I have. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, the one thing I do like about the products is that it does say what kind of skin types it works on. So it has skin type and then it says all. If it says all, you can use it on your skin. Then I think most of them were for all skin types except the Flower and Tonic Mask. That one was for COS, which I guess is combination oily skin. And yeah, the price is not that bad. It's like 30 euros and you get 5 products, and I'm okay to try it out. But I'll do another review in a couple of weeks to see how I'm getting along. Hopefully it doesn't make me break out. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. I really do not want a breakout right now. And yeah, remember, if you get any irritations when you start using any of the products, you should stop immediately. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you would like to, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And check out some of my other skincare videos on my page. Thank you. Bye. Spot treatment that targets surface blemish. So this product is one of